Somalia is taking a new step in the modernization of its armed forces with the acquisition of the T129 Atak helicopter, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries. This acquisition marks a turning point for the Somali Air Force as it seeks to enhance its operational capabilities in response to persistent security threats. In a context where the fight against Harakat al-Shabaab al-Mujahideen, an al-Qaeda-affiliated group, remains a priority, Somalia is investing in more effective aerial assets to secure its territory and improve counterinsurgency operations. The T129 Atak is a twin-seat attack helicopter designed for close air support, armed reconnaissance, and precision strikes. Based on the A129 Mangusta platform, it was adapted to meet the needs of the Turkish Armed Forces before attracting interest from other countries, including Somalia. It is highly maneuverable, thanks to its 5-blade main rotor and 2-blade tail rotor, allowing it to operate effectively in challenging environments. Equipped with advanced avionics, it features an automatic flight control system, an inertial navigation system integrated with GPS, and a helmet-mounted sight for rapid target acquisition in day and night operations. Powered by two LHTEC T800-4A engines, it has a cruising speed of 269 km per hour and a maximum range of 1,000 km, offering significant operational flexibility. The helicopter's armament is designed for versatility in combat scenarios. It is equipped with a turret-mounted 20mm Gatling cannon capable of firing up to 500 rounds and has 4 hardpoints that can carry up to 1,200 kilograms of payload. It can be armed with UMTA's anti-tank missiles, 70mm Sirik-guided rockets, air-to-air missiles, and 12.7mm gun pods. This diverse arsenal allows the T129 to support ground forces and conduct precision strikes against designated targets. To enhance survivability in hostile environments, the aircraft is equipped with advanced countermeasures, including infrared decoys, a radio frequency jammer, a missile warning system, and radar threat detection, improving its resilience against surface-to-air threats. The integration of the T129 Atak into the Somali Armed Forces highlights the strengthening of military cooperation between Somalia and Turkey. This partnership has grown over the years, notably through the establishment of the Turksum military base in Mogadishu, where Somali forces receive training and access to technology transfers. The arrival of the T129 is part of a broader effort to professionalize and equip the Somali military, aiming to modernize its capabilities while reducing reliance on foreign military interventions. With its ability to operate independently in complex operational environments, the T129 provides a critical asset for controlling and stabilizing key areas. In parallel, Turkey has also supplied a Bayraktar Akinci drone, complementing Somalia's aerial capabilities. However, the acquisition of the T129 Atak holds particular significance due to its ability to conduct rapid response operations and provide precise fire support to ground forces. Its adaptability to asymmetric warfare makes it a key asset in addressing the security challenges posed by armed groups operating in remote areas. Somalia's decision to acquire the T129 Atak aligns with its broader strategic objectives, particularly in counterinsurgency operations and efforts to assert military sovereignty. The government is working to develop a national air combat capability, reducing reliance on foreign forces for territorial security. With its multi-role capabilities and combat effectiveness, the T129 offers the Somali Armed Forces a fast and capable platform for responding to persistent security threats. By incorporating this attack helicopter into its arsenal, Somalia is making a significant move towards strengthening its military capabilities. This acquisition reflects the country's commitment to improving both defensive and offensive capabilities while reinforcing its strategic partnership with Turkey. Rather than being an isolated purchase, the arrival of the T129 Atak is part of a broader transformation of the Somali military, aimed at modernizing its doctrine and enhancing operational autonomy in the face of current and future security challenges.